Alright, what's up, traders? This is Jay here, boy from Bisbee. It's been a real tough week for me. With that being said, the drawdown's not that bad. Started out the week at 1933. I'm at 1907 right now. I've currently made 5 trades. 3 I've lost. So, with that being said, if you can lose 3 trades and only be down like 20 bucks, you're doing, your risk management's not bad. So I'm not beating myself up about it. I don't feel bad about any trade that I did on the Euro Canadian dollar pair because this thing's been oversold right from rip. I'm just gonna go over the daily, right from open, rather. Right from open on the daily, you can see here, that bar, we got some serious space. That's where I shorted. I felt like that gap was going to kind of fill itself in, and it didn't. So then I shorted exactly the top of the next bull bar, and that worked out fine for me. I still haven't been stopped out, so I'm still on my second trade for that. I actually kind of called the top nicely on that one, and I'm still up 70 pips. You want to take a look right here. Do that again for you. Still up 70 pips. Now I was up like 150 pips, 130 pips, 160 pips on this thing. I guess my biggest regret, not taking profits, just kind of too obsessed with my target and really thinking it was going to play through. Even last night, I'll show you in the 4 hour, I was up all night. And this thing started going against me, and then we have this big this big bear bar here, and I was up again, touching the moving average on the 20 moving average, and I was up 160 pips, so I felt good. And at the same time, I'm already on my second trade on the USD CAD pair, and then I got this big bear bar, and I felt very good about that. Went to bed, woke up, got stopped out, immediately went short again, because that's my strategy. I mean, you only get about a 30% chance. I'm going against the tide. That's just how I feel comfortable doing things, guys. Once I can get a grip on the reversal, then I switch to with trend, and I'll keep shorting the pullbacks or buying the pullbacks if I haven't if the position isn't already still open. I try to let it run as long as I can. My biggest problem is that the market closes on Friday, and I usually don't hold through that. So that's why I'll just stay with trend after the reversal's been triggered. So, this one's been beating me up a little bit. I'm going to close this one out. Just let this other trade run. So that's just the name of the game, guys. It hasn't been working out, but as you can tell, this thing is at some point going to go down, obviously. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to say that. I gotta keep, every time it goes up for another leg, it just hits my setup again, and I kind of gotta take it. At this point, though, it's already Thursday, so I'm just gonna close this trade out and just let the Euro CAD pair, because that's been a lot kinder to me. And I'll take a very small win on the US dollar Canadian dollar pair. So actually, it's out of 3 trades, I won 1, so that's kind of in line with my strategy anyways. I guess in hindsight, I would just say that I kind of feel bad, as I had already made 40 bucks profit at one point last night when these things both tanked down simultaneously. These pairs are very correlated. I should have just took my profits, given that the week was pretty much over, but I really thought this pattern was going to play out, and I still have some minor hope for it. But I'm gonna let this US dollar CAD pair again, because let this go. It's finding support in the moving average. It's just looking strong to me. That, knowing that the US market has just had the Trump effect, it's been unstoppable. And I've already been stopped out twice in this one. I don't think I can take much more abuse, so we're gonna get rid of that puppy right now. Live, you've seen it, liquidate current position, boom. He's out of
Your
there.
deal is
Done
confirmed.
with him. So we're just going to focus on this guy, which I like a lot more because it seems like it's going sideways. It seems I'm seeing way more sideways action than I was seeing with the other pair. So this could easily tank below the 20. I could get a nice cross of the moving averages. Hopefully that'll happen sometime tonight, and I can close out late Friday and have a victory dance. But you know what, guys? Every account experienced drawdown. When I woke up this morning, my balance was 1878. I brought that up again to 1905, and that's only down from 1933. So I've made 5 trades, and I've basically almost lost no money, and that's all, thanks to risk management. So all these guys that are telling you, oh, I won this contest, 3 months, my account's up 360%. Yeah, I mean, anybody could do that. That's gambling. Because I guarantee if you go and you look into those accounts, one of two things could happen. Anybody can hit a hot streak for 3 months. I've done it. It's not a big deal. But if you're getting 360%, what's the risk associated with that? I mean, the more reward you're going for, the risk is going to go up. At some point, it's going to go up. If you're at 360% on your account, you're probably risking a lot. You're probably not doing too great trade management. You could easily be down 360%, right? So just always keep risk management in your mind, guys. And don't look to triple and double your account. You want to be a trader. Yeah, it's fine to look to do that, but not in 3 months. You guys want to be doing this for years. You want to be in the long game for years. I worked at a security investment fraud law firm very shortly in my life, and I'll never forget what the lawyer said. If you're an investor and somebody starts going, telling you you're going to get returns over 10%, you better look at that risk profile. You better do a little more studying in that. Even the big hedge fund guys, get 5%, 10% in the year. You're doing great. So think of this as learning a skill. Don't think about the money too much. Just think about learning the skill and lasting over time. It's like in Scarface. You don't want to be a Haza, Frank. Haza. You want to fly straight. Those are the ones that last in this business. You fly high, you get shot down. All right. So I'm not thrilled about how this week turned out, but it doesn't matter. I even still have hope to pull off a big win. I got 70 pips right now. Like I said, my only regret in hindsight would probably be not taking profits when both these trades started going my way. And it's basically been happening all week, and that's just because I have this 4-to-1, 3-to-1 risk to reward, and I like to hit that target. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. Keep trading. Don't give up. I'm not. We're rocking with 72 pips right now. Feeling good. Keep it up, guys. Stay classy. Peace.